This camp was definitely very helpful for my French learning because I study it back home in Australia, and this is the kind of experience that you just don't get at home when learning French. And yeah, I just had to speak to lots of new people and try my best.
I think all the staff was very very great. You know, they were always cheerful, always happy, always like talking to us, having fun with us.
I think going around Paris and seeing everything that you don't really hear about. Like, I didn't know what the conciergerie was, but it's like really cool.
The material was helpful, and I do think that I have a better grasp on the French language now than I did a week and a half ago.
It has like the part of both worlds, so you're learning a lot of French and at the same time you're like having fun and like exploring Paris, and it's like a very nice way to do it.
Yeah, I think an interesting aspect, especially when you come to a camp such as this, is that you get to meet people from all over the world, not just where you come from. And I think one of the main things you learn is that people from all over the world tend to have surprisingly similar experiences to you.
I would definitely recommend this camp to other teenagers thinking about it, because I learnt more French in these past 2 weeks than like an entire year before this. So it's fast and it's a bit difficult at sometimes, but it'll be worth it.